see is right there where I circled the current price. And we trader, when we trade, we know one probability. There's only one probability that we know as trader, everybody, is that we have a 50% chance of success. It's like throwing a coin. Either the market is going up, your way, or there it's going to go down, and take your stop. That's all you know. So what we as traders have to do is improve those probability of success from a 50% chance and bring them up to 68% to 95% chance of success. And the options world, a 68% chance of success or 95% chance of success, without making it complicated, is 1 or 2 standard deviations, everybody. And so nobody, what you have to understand, whatever you trade, everyone in this room, it doesn't matter what you trade. Nobody puts a gun in your head to trade the current price. We have to find levels, we have to find support and resistance where we know that the shift of momentum, everybody, are going to be in your favor for 68% to a 95% chance of success, everybody. And this is key. So how do you find those levels? Number one, we do research and analysis for retail traders and prop firms, but we also do proprietary tools. The purpose of me explaining everything here is you have to overlay your own tools. So let's say you use moving average, you use Fibonacci lines, you use whatever you use, everybody. You got to overlay that with standard implied volatility in the options market. Why? Because it doesn't matter if you trade options or not, like Guy Cohen this morning mentioned that very well. It doesn't matter. The most astute players in the market are the options player, everybody. Whether you know that or whether you don't know that, all the pension funds, the hedge funds, every big players in the market are doing options. Every mutual funds also hedge themselves with options. So the options market is what we see as the most astute player, not what we call the newbies, not what we call the retail side, but the professional side. So if you understand on an option chain how to look at a 68 to a 95% chance of success with a delta is a very simple number on an option chain that is going to tell you which level of your stock, which level of your futures, and which level of your Forex, if you trade FXE as a substitute of, let's say, the 60, the Euro future, the delta is the probability in the money, it's the correlation also with the underlying stock, with the move of the option, and it's also the substitute of the stock for an option. I don't want to make it very complicated, but I want to give you basics. We are going to look